Oyaore. Oyaore means good morning. Oimore. Oimore means good evening. And Idi Nade means how do you do? Idi Nade. Now, thank you for joining this forum, this channel. And today I don't want to teach anything. I just want to give you a few ideas of what we are thinking of this channel going forward and what you should expect. Now we've done so far, I think we've done 98, about 95, 98 videos, and we are getting into the 100 video mark. And in total we have about 910 subscribers, which we are very thankful for. Now this channel, we started this as if we were not going to get any more ideas. And what happened is, as we kept moving, people kept saying, please produce more, please do this type of video, please talk to us about something else, talk to us about nouns, about sentences. So we kept on developing content. And right now we feel that we should start moving into a different direction. Now the direction we are thinking about is now talking about sentences. This channel has been about words, which are Luo words being translated, but now we feel that it's time to start talking about sentences. Now, two things are making us not go to that direction. The first one is that when we started this channel, we have not been editing our videos. What we do is we just shoot and upload. Now if you make a mistake, we just shoot again and upload. You just have to shoot and upload like the entire 10 minutes or the entire 7 minutes, whatever it is. We use a DSLR camera, and this only allows us to shoot for 10 minutes. So you rarely find a video of us that is more than 10 minutes long. That's about the camera. Now the camera has two issues. And if you're new, if you're in a video and you're producing something in video in YouTube, you know that one of the most important things in YouTube is the camera lighting and the sound. We're still using the sound from our camera. And sometimes it's limiting because we have other sounds that get into the camera and they are not pleasant to the viewer. And we cannot cut. The reason why we cannot cut is reason number 2 of why we are not yet moving. The reason number 2 is that we need to buy a computer that can render videos, or we can edit with. And we want to edit, we want this not to be a burden to us. We want something that can quickly render and post onto YouTube so that others can see. So what we're doing is we're planning on getting a better DSLR that has a mic input so that we can have lapel mics so that Nikki and I cannot be interfered with by other sounds. And also we want to get a desktop, maybe a desktop computer. We're talking about with a larger memory. Right now we just use an old laptop we just bought from Amazon. I think we bought it at about $40. And then that will now give us the option of editing, and then we'll stop using paper. You remember we've been using a lot of paper, so we'll stop using paper, and then we'll have I'll move to the side like this, and then we'll put stuff here or here, you know, and that would be a better way of presentation. So we are really thinking about this, and this will interfere with our posting schedule. We'll not post as often as we would like to until we reach that level where we can actually start editing and posting. So we wanted to bring this to your knowledge, but also thank you for really being with us, liking our content, giving us more content, encouraging us to continue with this. And we know that the end sight is not very near. Now, in future, we are thinking about other things. We are thinking about maybe looking at merchandise. We are thinking about producing a book or books. And also we are thinking about children. Like how do we really bring content that, for example, contents such as stories, how to storytell, how to capture the children's attention. Because right now what we're doing actually is not meant really for small, very little kids. So we are thinking about children's songs, we're thinking about children's action, you know, and this can only be done and it can only be made possible if all these other things that I told you about in the beginning are in place. So that's why we have a lot to do and we are trying our best to do it. So that was my rant today, and I thank you for hanging in there. We hope that this will be completed as soon as we can. Although we shall still be posting our content, but not as frequent, because right now we are really concerned about all these issues. Now, the last thing I would like to talk about is the subscriber base. We are now at 910, and Nikki's birthday is coming up in, I think, 3 days, in 4 days, in 2 days. She says 2 days. Oh, she's at the back of the camera, by the way. And we would like you to tell your friends so that she celebrates her birthday with 1,000 subscribers. That would be very good for us. It would be a very good birthday present for her. So thank you. Please tell your friends about this channel. Subscribe. If you've not subscribed and you're watching, please subscribe and share this video in your WhatsApp group, in your Facebook group, in your Twitter account, anywhere you want, Patreon, whatever. And thank you so much, and God bless. So when you finish a conversation in Luo and you want to quit, you say erokamano kuom winjo weche go. Let's say it together. Erokamano kuom winjo weche go. Thank you for listening to those words. Oriti. Oriti means goodbye. Oriti.